Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to my channel. Dream, Believe, Take Action Now, shall I say? That's the top. That's the title of my channel. But the title of my series here is Tips and Strategies of Online Marketing. Ooh, that's a mouthful. And that is the topic I like to share on a daily basis or weekly basis here on my channel. So you're probably fairly new to my channel, so let's have a little discussion of who I am. I'm 60 years old. I was born in here in British Columbia, Canada, and I've lived here for a long time because I was raised in Ontario, but I came back here. So, and that being said, I've had a variety of jobs in my lifetime. I worked at Orange Julius, I worked at McDonald's, I worked as a daycare worker for 3 years for 6 children. I also worked in a jewelry shop, a gift shop, department store, you name it. I had all kinds of jobs, guys. I had all kinds of jobs. But the craziest job I actually had when I was a sheet metal worker for 8 years. But then a short while back, when I got the taste of direct marketing, I worked in the direct marketing field in the office with my sister in Vancouver. And that's where I got the passion. That's something I wanted to try out. So fast forward to about a couple years ago, when I was having a hard time finding some work, I decided I wanted to work online. I want to work in a home-based business. I want to work online because you know what? That's where it is right now, working online. And through consistency and, shall we say, persistence, I continued to work online. I had some failures. I had some good things. I made a little bit of money. I lost some money. And then 3.5 months ago, I started working steady with Successful Solution Method. But I want to share one thing. I had a lot of failures. So today I'm going to talk about my failures and also how from those failures I learned, and then through those failures I found Successful Solution Method. So let's carry on. I want to talk about that. So in the next segment, I'm going to share a little bit about it, how it came about for me, and then you know what I'm going to do? I want you to stay to the end because it's a good video as I share some more information and some proof as well for you. So stay to the end because I got a lot more information to share with you too. So my lovely friends, let's get on with the wonderful video I want to share. My failures this past 2 years, but then I started to triumph with the Successful Solution Method. So let's carry on, shall we? Hello, hello, I'm back again, my lovely friends, here to talk to you some more of my tips and strategy of online marketing. And of course, the topic today is how I failed online. Okay, how I started to fail from being online for the past 2 years, online marketer, and how I was failing miserably until about 3.5 months ago when I started the new program of Successful Solution Method, the task-based program. But let me go back to my Facebook page, okay? Here's my Facebook page, right? It's a little bit different than it was about 3.5 months ago. But I want to share with you the reason why I started to work online 2 years ago. Because I really was having some health issues. I wasn't getting any work. And I figured at age 58, let's get started. I wanted to work online. The passion was for me to work online, to get into a niche I wanted to do, and to earn an income online, to work at home, at a home-based business. That was my vision, my true vision. So I got started. I sold about $3,500 worth of jewelry, and I got started, guys. And I tell you, I really actually enjoyed when I first started. But it was hard. I tell you why. Because when the first program I started on, I got the back office, I got the trainings, but I didn't get anywhere. I kid you not. They basically told you this. They told you to basically brand the product. Okay? I mean, talk about who you are and share who you are, but brand the product while you're online. Basically, and they also told you the cold calls. Cold calls are good to keep talking to people online. And that wasn't working for me. I wasn't getting any prospects. I wasn't getting proper engagement. The communication kind of sucked for me. I was really failing miserably for about a whole year. Almost for 2 years, but for a whole year, I was wondering, where was I going wrong? So I was losing a bit of money. I kept buying the products and losing money. And then I realized something. I wasn't getting enough training. So I would go into webinars, and I did some boot camps trying to learn. And there were so many different ways to learn, but I still didn't get the education that needed strategies, the tips I needed. And I kept failing, my lovely friends. I mean, I failed miserably, okay? And then, shall we say, I started into direct mail. I figured I could do direct mail, right? That would be interesting. So I tried to direct mail. But the problem is with that is the leads were American, and I wasn't making much money with that. And I didn't get a whole lot of help. I mean, we had a beautiful person who I was in a chat group. Okay, Amanda Rye, I love her. And she was head of a particular group. And she really knew her stuff because she's been doing it online for a few years. So she's a six-figure earner. So she was very good with direct mail. So I thought, okay, I learned from her. I learned some stuff from her, but I kept losing money because stamps were expensive and I kept mailing down below. I wasn't getting hardly any money. So I was failing on that end. That was 2 years of failing and not getting where I needed to go. And luckily, my husband was financially helping me out. If it wasn't for him, I would do really lousy in life, okay? I was upset. I was frustrated. And 3.5 months ago, I almost gave up until, of course, successful solution came my way. And the creator, of course, was Amanda Rye, our beautiful six-figure earner in her own right. And she saw what was happening to people online. She saw the difficulties. People weren't earning because they weren't learning properly. The proper needed skills to learn and grow and to understand how to earn through your Facebook profile. To build your business, to build you. And that's where I was failing. I wasn't building me online. I was trying to build the business online, but not me because I'm my own business. But I didn't know that. So when I first started 3.5 months ago, the first 2 weeks, I had basically my pace where it was, I said, I'll do the trainings and go along the way. And I had my ego got in the way a little bit. I thought, no, I'll just keep learning as I go along and I'll start to earn. I wasn't earning anything for the first 2 weeks because I wasn't doing the trainings properly. Because I also used to do videos online. I used to everyday journey. I did one every day. But she said to me, as we were doing the trainings, don't do your videos anymore. Just stop doing your videos for a while. Instead, stick with the trainings. So I got my ego in check, said stop being so stubborn and a bit of a cocky person and start with the trainings. Start with square one. So I did that. As you can see, this is my Facebook cover. I got it fixed. And I also did a banner. I got a banner created here. I learned that you do a banner, and I started to really do better value posts. Value posts are important because you are sharing of yourself. You're branding of yourself. You're building you because you are the business. And that's what I did. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you also. This is one of my curiosity posts. It's actually doing pretty good right now. And this is, of course, one of my posts I'm doing now too. And I actually was fairly steady. But in the beginning, let me see if I can share it. In the beginning, I got maybe 85. I actually didn't do too bad, but I don't know. It's been 3.5 months. Let me go down as far as I can. 3.5 months in like the beginning of June. Okay, when I first started doing this. Let me see if I can go to June. I'm trying to show these quickly for you because I give you an idea of how I really got frustrated because I knew I had to stick with the trainings. Trainings were important. Why are the trainings important? Because they teach you the right way to earn an income online. They teach you the right way to, shall we say, build your business, build your brand online. Okay, and that's where I was at faulting. I was not doing very well. And when I started to implement and apply the trainings, then I saw my engagement increasing. I saw people talking to me. I saw myself starting to earn. Why was I starting to earn? I tell you why I was starting to earn. Because I was learning the right way to build me and to brand myself online. Yes, indeedy. That was more important. Now, I'm trying to go to the very beginning here. It takes a few minutes because let's just put this way, my lovely friends. I started right, let's see. Okay, here's one here. That was May 29th, 24. That's all it was. Here's another one, 51.
Hello.
28.
Hello.
Over here, see 49.
Hello.
47.
Hey there, everybody.
36.
Hello.
Engagement 22, 27. 47.
Hello.
53.
Hello.
Some of the likes of my videos were only number 79.
Hello, my lovely.
Let's see when I first started. 87.
Hello.
But let me keep going.
Hello.
I'm trying to keep going here.
Hey, my lovely friend.
July the 11th, and I was just starting into the cup, and I still was
Hey.
best. 112. That wasn't too bad. That was June 14th. I started to 156. Starts to go up. See, this was my first payment of $50. There's the proof right there. I started to earn, and that was June 15th. So that was the middle I started to earn because I was learning the proper way to give value to brand myself online. I was starting to become successful. Okay, this was my first my first cover. Okay, that's why I changed it.
Hello, hello, hello.
209 was this one. That was very good.
Hey,
177 was still pretty good.
hey, my lovely.
137, that was actually pretty good too. 250 was the next payment because I probably earned from being an affiliate.
Hello, 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 my lovely.
This one was 199 with the food I was making.
Hey there.
So you see, this was
Hey.
up and down, but still you can see it got to over hundreds. It wasn't 23 anymore. It was getting higher. Let me see. Fast forward to now. Let me see if I can show you a good one.
Hey there, my love.
And the payments were increasing. See, 50 and 50 because I was starting to earn it. Okay, I wanted to share that with you. Let me see if I can keep going here. Let me see if I keep going here. But I also learned the best way to do me online as well. It was a different way to do it as well. This one was a better one, 309. Okay, why was that a better one? Because I was showing myself and my husband. Plus, it was a very good one. I was talking about focus. I was giving a good value post. See, you get a good value post. It's excellent. Okay, the people were engaging with me. They enjoyed what I was doing. This one I was just saying cheers, and it was kind of a fun thing to do, and that gave me 255. So you see, it was increasing. And of course, I earned another 250 there. So you see, this one didn't do as well sometimes because you have to really learn how to really understand what the best posts are. This was 168.
Hey, everyone.
191 was a good
Hello, hello.
So let me keep going here because I did have a week where I was put in Facebook jail, so that kind of screwed up the algorithm a bit. So you have to really be careful as well. So let me show this one, 160. I'm just trying to share with you. Let me continue on here. This one did well, 250, because I was sharing a good value post and people could see I love getting my hair done. And the other one's because I was out. The other time I was with my husband. These are the good value posts. That's how we're starting to become more successful. Now fast forward to now. Let me keep going because I want to show you one, because I was showing you another one that I love to hike, and that was, I did a hiking one as well. And that means what? That means that somebody saw me and they liked what I was doing, and that's how I got better engagement, because I was becoming more successful with my engagements, my lovely friends. This is why I wanted to share with you. Okay, it was just not that long ago. Yeah, let me see if I can find it. Yeah, see, this one was about 279, about 280. That's because people and 2 shares, which means 2 people shared it. That meant it went further, more eyeballs, because I was sharing about I love to hike. So you see, people love interest. People love to see who you are. People love to see you're there. That's why I do believe with this new one here, which is 195 likes so far. I just put it up yesterday. That shows me who I am, the color. I'm out there. It's Christine Trainer. I dream, believe, take action now. That is the key to becoming more successful online. Okay? Showing who you are, showing what you're all about, showing you as a person. That's why I wanted to share with you today. Let me see if I can share somebody who I really love. And she's amazing. I think I'll show her, my Miss Jessie Lynn. I love her. She's one of our success coaches, and she does. See, look at this. Look at this beautiful banner. Beautiful. Boss up with your life with Jessie. Beautiful, right? You see her picture. You see her beautiful, bold cover photo there. And this is a beautiful banner. See the colors bright. Right now, you know she loves colors. This one, she's talking about, she earned some extra income. $5,399 in this past 3.5 months. She's earned it. Okay, that's one of her.
Hey guys, it's me, Jess. I just wanted to come.
I want to show one that I'm just really amazed. 331. Why? Because she's talking about the beauty of a hidden message. She does really, really value posts. She was at Kiter Falls. She loves to go hiking. She likes to enjoy. She likes to go to places. Okay, another one ever. Or this, she's going. It's a throwback day. 203 likes right here. And this one. This one was fun. She was just be wild, be fun, be different, be you. 357 likes. That shows she's fun, she's enjoyable, she's a wonderful person. Who wouldn't want to go send her a message, ask her, what are you doing? Why your engagement going up? Proof is in the pudding right there, right? Okay, I want to share that with you because this is how you become successful online.
Come on.
When you do the task on successful solution method. Yes, indeedy, my lovely friends. When you do the tasks. This is what I want to share with you. When you earn and learn successful solution method, when you do the daily tasks, you start to earn, you become more successful. Being with a program, learning to grow and to become more successful the right way, building yourself, because you are the business. That's where you're going to become more successful online. And through successful solution method, our Amanda WHEREI, who's at the helm, a beautiful mentor with her coaches below her, you're going to start to earn and become more successful. So this is what I want to share with you today on this, my tips and strategies online marketing, how I failed, and how I'm becoming more successful through successful solution method. And with Amanda WHEREI at the helm, who created this program, it's amazing. So down below is my link to successful solution method. Come be a part of a beautiful, successful team. How you earn and learn together and learn the right way to brand and build your business online through a Facebook profile too, right? As well as the Facebook group is down below as well. The link, come be a part of that. Learn and understand what it's all about. See the testimonials, hear the testimonials, see the successes indeed. And of course, if you want to know more about me and who I am, my Facebook page is down below and the link down below. Come visit me. Let's have a conversation. Let's get to know one another as well. And so if you're new to my channel, like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I have many more tips and strategies, online marketing and videos as well. Down the road, they're coming up. Plus, click the link below to the next video. You're going to enjoy it as well. Keep getting those notifications of my next video too. And remember this, I'll see you on the other side to success, my lovely entrepreneurs. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.